Unmanned Helicopters LLC is a leader in the unmanned aerial vehicle industry, specializing in the development and production of unmanned aerial vehicles and multifunctional complexes for various purposes. The history of the company has 27 years of engineering and design experience and more than 30 developments, including small-sized robotic unmanned helicopters, with a takeoff weight from 20 to 150 kilograms, various helicopter-type flight simulators, tactical unmanned aerial vehicles of the aircraft type. Only in the last 5 years, the organization has developed a line of unmanned helicopters with takeoff weight from 200 kilograms to 2,500 kilograms. The company's team of more than 300 people daily foresees the development of technologies, understands the needs of the market, and are ready to offer a number of research programs to develop and implement new technologies and advanced design methods in the field of unmanned aerial vehicles. The most promising development of KB Unmanned Helicopters is Scout Attack Unmanned Complex Hunter, which embodies all the latest innovations and advanced technologies. The Hunter complex includes 2 Scout Attack Unmanned Helicopters Hunter, Ground Control Station, Ground Flight Support Station, 2 Transport Platforms. Hunter can be used to solve military and special purpose tasks, for example, searching and destruction of armored vehicles, fighters of the enemy, low-speed air targets. Maximum takeoff weight 750 kilograms, payload 200 kilograms, maximum flight speed 190 kilometers per hour, flight duration up to 6 hours. Hunter Scout Attack Helicopter is equipped with weapon system, helicopter on-board defense up to electronic systems, and navigation equipment. The helicopter is also equipped with an avionics system for automatic mission execution and payload control. Ground Control Station, intended to provide the UAV remote control, its onboard equipment, as well as receiving and providing information on monitors from the installed payload. The Ground Flight Support Station is an installation that includes a mobile workshop, an airfield power supply source with a gasoline generator, as well as a fuel station for 800 liters of gasoline. Scout Attack Helicopter Hunter is a new chapter in the sphere of unmanned aerial vehicles, which has no analogues among other world manufacturers. An equally relevant development of KB Unmanned Helicopters LLC is the multifunctional complex Peacekeeper. The complex is represented by unmanned aircrafts of 2 modifications, the Unmanned Target Aircraft Berkut and the Ground Attack Unmanned Aircraft Peacekeeper. The Unmanned Target Aircraft Berkut is designed primarily for SAM crew training and is equipped with an electronic target simulator that allows to create radar portraits of different size aerial targets from a medium-class UAV to a bomber. The UAV is equipped with a parachute system that ensures its multiple use. The ground attack unmanned aircraft Peacekeeper is equipped with a coordinate targeting system and is designed to cripple the armored and automotive vehicles' destruction and disabling enemy manpower. It is used at the range of up to 160 kilometers with a warhead weight of 10 kilograms. The unmanned aircraft Peacekeeper is also effective in destruction of enemy air defense and electronic warfare systems. The complex Peacekeeper also includes a launcher designed to launch and conduct pre-launch control of UAVs and a ground control station that provides operational changes to the flight mission of unmanned aircraft, as well as receiving, displaying and documenting telemetry and external trajectory information. The Peacekeeper complex, as well as other developments of the company, are already widely known outside the Republic of Belarus and even the continent. KB Unmanned Helicopters LLC is your reliable partner for flight to the future.